Monday, August 5th, 2013. 1 ounce of silver is $20. 1 Bitcoin is $108. Peace News Now is brought to you by friends of WeUseCoins.com and by you, the listener. Ademo Freeman, the founder of the decentralized police accountability organization CopBlock.org, is suing the bureaucrats calling themselves the Town of Greenfield, Mass., and the Greenfield police officers who arrested him for filming in 2010. For the crime of filming police officers at a police station, he and his partner Pete Eyre were charged with felony wiretapping. He and Pete courageously represented themselves in court and convinced the jury to find them not guilty in July 2011. Now, 2 years later, Ademo is suing the individuals who violated natural law by wrongly caging a peaceful man. The complaint alleges that the town bureaucrats are responsible for having not provided training to officers about the public's constitutional rights to film law enforcement, and that as a result of the failure, quote, it was highly likely that the Greenfield police officers would unconstitutionally arrest people for openly recording police conduct or conduct of other government officials. When Ademo and Pete questioned why they would not be permitted to film the people who work for them, defendants, judge, and other Greenfield police officers placed Ademo and Pete under arrest for trespassing. They were kept overnight in a cold cell without their pants or blankets. They were denied from making a call to reach legal counsel. They didn't have the opportunity to be released on bail. Ademo's mobile home was illegally searched and then towed. The Greenfield police kept their cell phones and cameras as evidence. This kind of criminality demands accountability, and who better than the founder of police accountability website CopBlock.org to pursue personal justice in this issue? Ademo doesn't seek departmental accountability, but names names. Todd Dodge is the criminal. He is the defendant who stands charged of acting with reckless disregard for another man's constitutional rights. Ademo says he's suffered from symptoms of emotional distress after being charged, even though, quote, he knew he had not violated the law, but he worried that a felony conviction would result in a substantial jail term. According to the lawsuit, the police arrested Ademo to intimidate him and to serve as a lesson to Ademo and others that attempting to openly record police officers in Greenfield could result in an arrest. The police intentionally caused criminal charges to be brought against Ademo without probable cause and with malice. Ademo's lawsuit alleges a number of violations, including against freedom of speech, the state's Civil Rights Act, freedom from malicious prosecution, due process, and freedom from retaliation. Ademo is seeking compensatory and punitive damages and the payment of legal fees and costs in his lawsuit against Greenfield. The case will be heard by U.S. District Court Judge Nathaniel Gorton. The defendants have yet to file answer to the complaint. This next story brought to you by friends of blockchain.info. Download the free Bitcoin wallet app at blockchain.info. Lamassu Bitcoin Ventures is appearing in the September 2013 issue of Popular Mechanics. Lamassu is the company responsible for the Bitcoin machine, the sexiest ATM on the market. This compact, desktop-sized machine converts fiat in your hand to Bitcoin on your phone in just 15 seconds. It doesn't just take US dollars, it accepts currencies from over 200 countries. Like a proper ATM, its internal steel vault is securely bolted to a wall, stand, or countertop. Complete with an intuitive user interface, the web-based backend allows owners to choose from leading exchanges such as Mt. Gox and Bitstamp. Because it was built and coded by freedom-loving network security experts, the Lamassu Bitcoin machine is completely license-free. Check it out for yourself and join their mailing list at LamassuBTC.com and learn more about Bitcoin at WeUseCoins.com. Author and founder of FPP.cc, Daryl W. Perry, wrote on his blog yesterday that Christi and Rand Paul are both wrong about libertarianism. Daryl points out that Rand isn't for ending the long-failing war on terror. In fact, he's for hunting and killing terrorists with drones. Concord police have recently labeled Free Staters domestic terrorists. So would Rand Paul have the government hunt and kill them? Peace News Now is brought to you by friends of WeUseCoins.com and by listeners like you. Share this episode, catch us on the next news network, and send some Bitcoin to peacenewsnow.com/donate. I'm Derek J. Peace is the way.